Laki ng,
Iba po yung may naman.
laki ng bangka
Mama
guys.
Mary comes to me,
Ano pa yung pag
speaking words of wisdom, let it be.
Ah, matabang.
Hindi naman po, matamis ka mo.
And in my all dark,
Wala lang siya.
Kasi ate, nagtitinda ng
standing right in front,
Anong kilo niya?
speaking words of wisdom, let it be. Let it be.
Ah, kilo niya.
Let it be. Let it be. Oh,
Ah, mukhang kalahating kilo yata isa niya na.
whisper
Laki.
words of wisdom, let it be. Broken-hearted people living in
Ito mama.
the green. There
Sulit.
will be